was sexy. Oh, I broke it. Does this go on your neck? No. This is gorgeous. This would look great in my house. Should I buy one of these? Okay. You guys ready for the concert? Nothing. What? Oh my god, I have no idea how you even play this. Oh! Bigger breaths, got it. That sounds terrible, wow. Not bad. Well, add that to the list of instruments I cannot play. I just realized if I put on a blindfold, it's gonna mess up my makeup. Can I do it without one? This is gonna be a masterpiece, okay. I have not drawn anything in so long. I'm sure this is super beautiful. I'll carry my Chanel bag and high heels, of course. That's beautiful. Oh, wow. This belongs in the Allure for sure. I'm an artiste. I meant to do that. I'm gonna like flash everyone. Okay. I'm wearing fancy shoes, so I'm gonna have to take these off. Okay. I'm not in the frame at all. I don't know how to make it take the picture. How the hell am I supposed to do this? I gotta put on sweatpants for this. Okay. This looks weird. Okay. Yeah! Oh God. A masterpiece. That is so beautiful. Wow, it's gonna be my new Tinder profile picture. Okay. This is my destiny, okay? I've actually never read a romance novel, though since I'm like super single, I probably should get into reading this. Can I keep this after? Got the sexy man, the sexy lady. Woo! Love is a rogue. What? The title doesn't even make sense. That's really the title? Love is a rogue? Oh, this is a whole series. Oh, wow. But I found what I was searching for. He kissed her lips. You. We'll find a new path together. He kissed the top of her head. But first, we have to find a way to save this clubhouse. What? No, I want a sex scene. Okay. She sat up and slipped one sleeve of her blue gown off her shoulder. The other sleeve fell. It was nearly unbearable. The tension of that half inch, the fabric clinging to her body, ready to fall and show him everything he craved so badly. His, oh, I don't think I can say this on here. Read that myself later, okay. I've made dresses out of lots of things, but never paper towels. Okay. Let's see what I can come up with. Honey, Vogue. We're gonna make a top first. Oh, I forgot. Okay, just gonna tape that on. I don't know. Oh, wow. Ta-da! Ooh, ooh. Honestly, not bad for 30 seconds. A little bit snatched, low-key. I mentioned on Twitter the other day I'd never had Flamin' Hot Cheetos, so thought, you know, today would be a good day to try them. I don't usually like spicy stuff, but I love Cheetos. It smells good. Let's see. None for you, Boogeyman, I'm sorry. Here we go. Cheers, everybody. Oh my God. You know, this doesn't actually taste any different than normal Cheetos to me. Excuse me, George. Oh, actually, maybe it is a little spicy. All Wow, that's good though. Mm. Wow. Wow. That's delicious. Wow. I'm gonna eat all of these later. Okay, wow. Creme de la creme. Is my tongue red? Okay, that was like actually really spicy. Can I get some water? Oh, thank you. Okay, what's the next thing? George, stop eating the Cheetos off the ground. No. I went to college, but I never shotgunned a soda or anything similar. So I thought it'd be fun to try. Okay, it's unopened, just so you know I'm not cheating. Oh, did I shake this around earlier? Uh-oh. Okay, it's fine. Ugh, I hate soda. I think it tastes disgusting. Okay. Y'all ready? There's definitely a lot left in there, but I got like most of it. You hear it? There's not a ton left. Pretty good. Not terrible. I mean, I am kind of good at stuff like that. Edit that out. Okay. For sure, edit that out. Like a champ. I'm afraid to move. This necklace costs more than my life. It's like 50 carats of emeralds and like, I don't know how many carats of diamonds, but look at even the earrings too. Wow. Is this what it's like to be a princess? I just shotgunned soda and now I'm doing this. Wow, the duality of woman. Someday I'll buy this when I win the lottery. Can someone take this off me? I got some tattoos here. You're gonna look beautiful. Ooh. Okay. God, I don't even know how to do this. Okay, guys, which one should I give her? Which one do you want? I'm gonna give you this nice big one. I don't actually know what the directions are. What are the directions from this? Wow, I'm really sorry about this. Peel the plastic off.
No, I think that part's supposed to be dry.
I don't know. Let me do it.
It's supposed to be dry.
No. Okay. Wish me luck, kids. Oh my God, I need more water. Bring me more water. I know, stop moving. You're gonna mess it up. Okay, guys, the grand reveal. I'm just gonna pull it off. Oh, I can't swear, huh? Oh, wow. Oh, that looks awesome. Wow, I killed it! So hot. Dude, look. That's
Ass looks so huge.
That looks awesome. Shout out to my friend Quinn for being my assistant today. Thank you.
Look. I'm gonna take pictures.
Get out of here. Wait, let me film it. Work. Thanks for watching me try 9 things I've never done. I'm gonna eat more Cheetos now. Bye. I decided I wanted a tattoo too. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gorgeous.